I'm having a lot of fun racing trucks. It's super fun. You're in a cage. It's the worst that can happen. You're gonna get knocked out and puncture a lung. I've already done that this year. Tested.
Well, we were here in Surprise 2 weeks ago practicing, and yeah, I mean, I think I was doing mid 58 laps, 58 up to 59s right in there. The track was pretty much beat too, so I felt like I was doing pretty well.
The race today was gnarly. Like, there is no other words for it besides carnage, and it was dirty. The last 3 laps, I could not even see going through the mogul section. I'm like looking for something to get a visual on to see what direction I was going.
I'm just going to be aggressive from the start and then go race.
Here we are in Arizona, and everybody lost their patience, it looks like, in the beginning of the races. There was a lot of carnage yesterday. You know, the Pro 2 race, probably the best Pro 2 race I've ever seen in my life. Carnage everywhere. In our class, there was carnage. It was awesome for the spectators, tough for the guys working in the pits. They were up till 3 or 4 in the morning.
I'm excited where I'm at. It's definitely not where I want to be, but I'm working towards it. Every week's getting better and better for me, and I'm finishing more towards the front, and that's my goal, is to keep getting better and better as it goes on.